Hi guys, today I'll be sharing how to make dulce de leche chiffon cake. For the ingredients, we need dulce de leche. You can either purchase this or you can make your own by boiling condensed milk for 3 hours to look like this. We need 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of cake flour, 8 egg yolks, 100 ml of fresh milk, 100 ml of vegetable oil. To begin, we're going to combine and whisk the sugar and the egg yolks. Whisk this until it is light pale yellow, just like this. Then add the fresh milk while whisking continuously. Add the vegetable oil as well. Now we can add the dulce de leche, which is 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon. Mix this until it is well combined using a whisk. Once everything is well combined, we can now sift in the cake flour and the salt. By the way, your oven should be preheated at 170 degrees Celsius. Mix this until it is well combined, but do not overmix. Set this aside while we move on to the meringue. For the meringue, we need egg white from 8 eggs, half a cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. So beat the egg whites until it is frothy. Once it is frothy, we can add the cream of tartar. If you don't have cream of tartar, you can substitute it with white vinegar or lemon juice, same amount. Then gradually add the sugar. Once the sugar is all in, continue beating this until you reach the stiff peak stage. And this is now the stiff peak stage. We're going to combine the meringue to the egg yolk mixture. Add the meringue in 3 addition using the folding method. Do not overmix this. And this is the last addition of the meringue. Now we're going to transfer this into a tube pan. And we're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour, or until when you insert a skewer in the middle and the skewer comes out clean. And this is what it looks like after baking. One important step is to flip the cake upside down. This is optional. I have half a tablespoon of cream and 1/3 cup of dulce de leche. So just whisk this and then add the cream. If you don't have cream, you can use milk. Just add the milk or the cream until you're happy with the consistency. The cake has now cooled down completely. To remove it from the pan, just use a flat angled spatula to run between the cake and the pan. Do the same procedure at the bottom of the cake. And in the middle as well. Then flip the cake upside down. And this is what it looks like. Now to put the icing on top, you can do this process. Use a piping bag to spread the icing, but in the end, I just use a spatula to spread the icing evenly. Optional ingredients is I used chocolate sprinkles, just to sprinkle on top of the cake. And this is the finished product. This is really good. I can guarantee that you're going to love this. And just to show you what it looks like inside when you cut the cake. This is very light and fluffy. It's not too sweet. So I hope you give this a try. A close-up look. And this is how soft the cake is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.